Good morning, children. I hope you all are done with the question and answers we have done up to the long question number 1. So today in this video, we are going to begin with the next long question and answer. So all of you take out your books, notebooks and pens and start writing question number 2. Long question number 2. Differentiate between parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. For the spellings, either refer your books or you can check it at the screen. Differentiate between parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. Now, just the same manner you can see on your screen, I have divided the page into 2 different portions. In the same manner, you all will divide your notebook into 2 halves. On the left hand side, you will write down parallels of latitude, and on right hand side, you will write down meridians of longitude. After that, start writing the very first point under parallels of longitude. They are horizontal lines. They are horizontal lines that run parallel to each other. Write down under meridians of longitude. They are vertical lines that meet at the poles. They are vertical lines that meet at the poles. Second point under parallels of latitude, they run from east to west. They run from east to west. Second point under longitudes, they run from north to south. They run from north to south. Third point under latitudes, they do not have same length. They do not have same length. Meridians of longitude, they are of equal length. Fourth point under latitudes, there are 180 parallel of latitudes. There are 180 parallel of latitudes. Fourth, under longitudes, there are 360 meridians of longitude. There are 360 meridians of longitude. Fifth point under latitude, equator is a 0-degree latitude. Equator is a 0-degree latitude. Under longitudes, write down point number 5. Prime meridian is the 0-degree longitude. 5 points under parallel of latitudes and 5 points under meridians of longitude. Moving on to the third question, start writing. Why do we have a standard time? Why do we have a standard time? Start writing the answer. Children, those who are left behind can pause the video wherever you are stuck, complete your work and then move on to the next question. Start writing the answers. In a country, there can be multiple longitudes. In a country, there can be multiple longitudes, full stop. If every place will start following their own local times, there will be many local times in a country. If every place will start following their own local times, there will be many local times in a country, full stop. From the next line, write down. Thus, to avoid such confusion, most countries have adopted the local time of some central meridian of their country. Some countries have adopted the local time of some central meridian of their country, full stop. Next line, write down, for example, For example, in India, comma, 82.5 degree east longitude. You can see how to write down 82.5 degree east in numbers on your screen. In India, 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad, is taken as the central meridian. Full stop. Its local time known as Indian Standard Time or IST is followed throughout the country. Question number 4. What is a time zone? I repeat, what is a time zone? Start writing the answer. A system of time zones has been adopted. Since 1884. To avoid the confusion of frequent changes of time while moving from one place to another, full stop. By international agreement, the world is divided into 24 time zones. Full stop. Each time zone covers 15 degrees of longitude. Full stop. Start writing from the next paragraph. The prime meridian passing through Greenwich, London, is used as a starting point, full stop. The local time here is known as Greenwich Mean Time. In the bracket, write down GMT. The local time here is known as Greenwich Mean Time. In the bracket, GMT, full stop. So by this, children, you are completed with your very first chapter of the second chapter of geography. So now you need to start learning your chapters and complete your work in your notebooks till the last question, all of you.